story about this of those who persevere and who see through the tears and in the grand scheme of...
Success stories indeed. Our next guest attended Wilmers Trust High School for girls. Also went to Penwood High Evening Institute, where she took evening classes to prepare for CSEC subjects, achieving success. Join us this morning, 16-year-old Brianna Sinclair. 16 or 15? 15 years old. I know, that's what the article said. All right, good to have you. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Tell me a little bit about your journey. You have received a number of awards during your time in school. Most Improved Student in grade 2, NCB Foundation grant in grade 3. Yeah. Has it been a tough journey for you, education-wise?
No, not really. I always worked hard academically, and it came easy for me, for the most part. But for the most part, it did come easy.
Yeah.
To achieve.
So you made your way through primary school. There came the dreaded PEP. What was that like for you?
Oh, it was around COVID time, actually, when things were online. And I was very nervous for that exam, but I went in and I did that exam and I passed very well.
You passed very well, Diana. You did a little bit more than pass very well. 98% was your PEP score. And then you went to Wilmers, where your academic performance was also great. Lots of certificates there. But at Wilmers now, you were between Wilmers and Penwood. So tell me about, that's a lot of schooling.
It is.
Why?
The challenge in balancing time for my evening classes and school, it was very hard. But I pulled through.
Why did you go to evening classes?
Because my mother said, like, she saw the potential in me to do CXC early. So if my mother thought I could do it, then I knew I could do it. So I took up the challenge and I went.
And so you did CSEC?
Yeah.
At what grade?
Oh, third form.
How many subjects?
6.
6 subjects in third form. Which subjects did you do?
EDPM.
Which is?
Electronic Document Preparedness Management, Chemistry, Human and Social Biology, English,
IT.
IT, yeah.
Math. You said language?
Yeah, English language.
Crazy. And you passed all of them? So you did more in fifth form? How many more you did in fifth?
I didn't go. I should be in fourth form this year, but instead I enrolled in Portmore Community.
So you left high school after third form
to
go to Portmore College?
Yeah.
At 15? Wow. Why?
I mean, if I could move up a little bit faster instead of repeating all that I did, I think it would be best if I went to college and skipped a couple years.
So how long have you been at Portmore College now?
I've just enrolled since September.
Oh, and how's that going?
It's going good.
Yeah? Are you the youngest person on campus?
I think so.
You gotta be 15.
Yeah.
And what are you studying there?
Oh, I'm doing CAPE, Communication Studies, Biology and Chemistry, Units 1 and 2.
And your hope is to do what eventually?
Become a nurse midwife, you know. I think it would be very fulfilling to have a job to bring life into the world.
Oh, and where did you develop the love for that? Is there anybody in your family who does that?
No.
Okay.
I just thought, I don't know, I think it would be very peaceful to have a job like that.
Okay, if you say so. Peaceful is not the process I would describe it as, but for a lot of people it is actually really super fulfilling. And that's a very noble reason to want to be able to do it. Do you have a word that you'd like to give to young people who, you know, are looking to excel but think they're too young to do this or too young to do that? As a 15-year-old in college, what would you say to them?
I mean, you're never too young to chase anything. You can, as long as you believe in yourself and you work hard, it has to come through. So just work hard and believe.
So at this rate now, you're going to finish Portmore College at what age?
at 17.
And then go turn midwife after that?
Yeah,
So you're
come
gonna
to nurse.
gonna be the youngest nurse in the history of the world. Wow, Brianna, that's amazing. Congratulations on all your success, and thank you for being with us this morning. Brianna Sinclair, born to succeed, 15 years old, Port Morecambe College student. We'll be right back with more. A fun stop is up after this.